Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What invention is Johannes Gutenberg credited with that revolutionized printing? Is it A, printing press, B, typewriter, or C, photocopier? It is A, printing press. What is the main ingredient used to prepare sashimi? Is it A, cooked shrimp, B, raw fish, or C, fried chicken? It is B, raw fish. What type of content is KSI primarily known for on YouTube? Is it A, gaming, B, cooking, or C, travel? It is A, gaming. What is a municipal bond? Is it A, city debt, B, stock share, or C, corporate loan? It is A, city debt. What is the primary application of nanoelectronics in technology? Is it A, renewable energy, B, miniaturized circuits, or C, biotechnology? It is B, miniaturized circuits. What is the primary characteristic of the Sargasso Sea that distinguishes it from other ocean regions? Is it A, seaweed floating, B, strong currents, or C, coral reefs? It is A, seaweed floating. In which comic book publisher did Wonder Woman first appear? Is it A, Dark Horse Comics, B, Marvel Comics, or C, DC Comics? It is C, DC Comics. What mathematical constant is represented by the symbol pi? Is it A, value of pi in degrees, B, ratio of circumference to diameter, or C, square root of 2? It is B, ratio of circumference to diameter. What fashion item is Diane von Furstenberg famously known for creating? Is it A, wrap dress, B, little black dress, or C, maxi skirt? It is A, wrap dress. What principle is Werner Heisenberg best known for in quantum mechanics? Is it A, uncertainty principle, B, relativity theory, or C, quantum entanglement? It is A, uncertainty principle. In mythology, what type of creature is a rock known to be? Is it A, giant bird, B, sea monster, or C, dragon? It is A, giant bird. What is the primary purpose of a golf tee? Is it A, elevate the ball, B, mark the hole, or C, keep score? It is A, elevate the ball. Which detective character is famously associated with Arthur Conan Doyle? Is it A, Hercule Poirot, B, Sherlock Holmes, or C, Miss Marple? It is B, Sherlock Holmes. What is the main goal of green schools? Is it A, reduce waste, B, improve academic performance, or C, promote sustainability? It is C, promote sustainability. What is the primary purpose of callus formation in the body? Is it A, aid digestion, B, repair injury, or C, regulate temperature? It is B, repair injury. Which pop icon is known as the King of Pop? Is it A, Elvis Presley, B, Michael Jackson, or C, Freddie Mercury? It is B, Michael Jackson. What is the capital city of Luxembourg? Is it A, Geneva, B, Bruges, or C, Luxembourg City? It is C, Luxembourg City. What is the main product category that Off-White is known for in the fashion industry? Is it A, swimwear, B, formal wear, or C, streetwear? It is C, streetwear. What was the primary writing system used by the ancient Assyrians? Is it A, Latin, B, hieroglyphics, or C, cuneiform? It is C, cuneiform. What is the primary focus of the Swiss watch company Omega? Is it A, sports equipment, B, luxury watches, or C, electronics? It is B, luxury watches. What is a primary threat to the survival of sea turtles? Is it A, habitat loss, B, freshwater pollution, or C, airborne diseases? It is A, habitat loss. What type of bird is a puffin? Is it A, falcon, B, sparrow, or C, seabird? It is C, seabird. What is the primary purpose of the Petronas Towers in Malaysia? Is it A, office buildings, B, shopping mall, or C, hotel? It is A, office buildings. What is the primary use of tin in manufacturing? Is it A, glass, B, solder, or C, concrete? It is B, solder. What is the primary feature of an inflation-linked bond? Is it A, adjustable interest rates, B, fixed interest payments, or C, equity ownership? It is A, adjustable interest rates. What is the main characteristic of a traditional French baguette? Is it A, soft filling, B, sweet flavor, or C, crispy crust? It is C, crispy crust. What is the main objective of the board game Ticket to Ride? Is it A, trade resources, B, collect stamps, or C, complete train routes? It is C, complete train routes. What is the primary function of Google Maps? Is it A, social media, B, navigation, or C, online shopping? It is B, navigation. What device is essential to operate modern computers? Is it A, keyboard, B, central processing unit, CPU, or C, computer mouse? It is B, central processing unit, CPU. What is up, Helia? Is it A, fire festival, B, food festival, or C, music festival? It is A, fire festival. What is the capital of Oman? Is it A, Riyadh, B, Muscat, or C, Manama? It is B, Muscat. Which Pacific atoll was used for nuclear testing during the Cold War? Is it A, Bikini Atoll, B, Midway Atoll, or C, Johnston Atoll? It is A, Bikini Atoll. What is the primary function of bioluminescence in many organisms? Is it A, communication, B, photosynthesis, or C, migration? It is A, communication. What is the primary function of an LED, light-emitting diode? Is it A, conduct electricity, B, emit light, or C, store energy? It is B, emit light. Which modern TV series features a character named Tony Stark, who is also known as Iron Man? Is it A, Breaking Bad, B, The Office, or C, Iron Man? It is C, Iron Man. What type of game is Splendor known for being? Is it A, role-playing game, B, card game, or C, strategy board game? It is C, strategy board game. What is the Kuiper Belt primarily known for containing? Is it A, rocky planets, B, icy bodies, or C, gas giants? It is B, icy bodies. What is the profit earned from the sale of an asset, such as stocks or real estate, known as? Is it A, capital gain, B, income tax, or C, liquidation value? It is A, capital gain. Which painting is Paul Cézanne famous for that features a basket of apples? Is it A, Starry Night, B, Basket of Apples, or C, The Scream? It is B, Basket of Apples. What is the primary significance of Lagos in Nigeria? Is it A, it is the capital city, B, it is the largest city, or C, it is a cultural site? It is B, it is the largest city. What scientific element did Marie Curie discover along with her husband Pierre Curie? Is it A, carbon, B, oxygen, or C, radium? It is C, radium. What was the primary result of the Industrial Revolution? Is it A, feudalism, B, urbanization, or C, agriculture? It is B, urbanization. What does the heliocentric theory propose about the position of the Earth in the solar system? Is it A, the Moon orbits the Sun, B, the Sun orbits the Earth, or C, the Earth orbits the Sun? It is C, the Earth orbits the Sun. Which luxury product is Tod's best known for producing? Is it A, watches, B, handbags, or C, leather shoes? It is C, leather shoes. What is Times Square famously known for hosting annually on New Year's Eve? Is it A, concert festival, B, fireworks show, or C, ball drop? It is C, ball drop. What type of goods are classified as commodities that can be traded on a market? Is it A, raw materials, B, luxury items, or C, digital products? It is A, raw materials. What is the primary theme of the film The Matrix regarding reality? Is it A, friendship, B, simulation, or C, adventure? It is B, simulation. What type of government does Tonga have? Is it A, democracy, B, republic, or C, monarchy? It is C, monarchy. What does the term parallax primarily describe in astronomy? Is it A, galaxies clustering, B, planetary rotation, or C, stellar position shift? It is C, stellar position shift. In which country is Neuschwanstein Castle located? Is it A, Switzerland, B, Austria, or C, Germany? It is C, Germany. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.